In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event registration page on Squarespace. Easy guide to using event pages. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable event section where visitors can register in just a few seconds. Start in your Squarespace editor on your new site. From the page you want to feature your event, add a new section. You'll see a panel of section types. Choose the calendar category to access layouts designed specifically for events. This instantly gives you an events-focused block with space for a title, date, time, description, and a call to action button. Next, pick the events option in that category. Browse the layouts and select one that fits your style and content density. Once it's added to your page, click directly on the event card or button area to open the editor. This is where you'll customize the details and make the button actually do something useful. Find the button or link field and choose Attach Link. This is the key step that turns your event section into a real registration experience. You'll see link types you can use. If you have a file to share, like a PDF agenda or a printable registration form, choose File and upload it. If your workflow is email-based, select Email. So clicking the button opens the visitor's email client with your address pre-filled. If you want attendees to call to register, pick Phone and enter the number. Each option is great for different registration flows, so choose the one that matches how you handle signups. Now, update your text. Edit the button label to something clear, like Register Now, and refine the event title and description so people know exactly what they're signing up for. Keep your copy specific. Include the date, time, location, and any special requirements. Clear details reduce back and forth and boost conversions. When your content and link are set, click Save to lock in the changes. Then exit the section editor to return to the page view and make sure everything looks consistent with your site's design. Use the home navigation to get back to your main site settings if you need to. When you're happy with the result, publish your site to make the event live. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Preview your page on mobile to ensure the button is easy to tap and the text wraps cleanly. Double-check that your link opens correctly, whether it's a file, an email draft, or a phone dialer. And if your event details change, just revisit the section, update the text or link, save, and republish. That's it. Your Squarespace event registration section is ready to go.